Happy New Year, everyone. It's January 3rd, 2024, 4:52 p.m. right now. Happy New Year. It's Forte, long time no see. And got some good news and bad news. Bad news is that in Duolingo, we just got kicked out of the stock. At least I did. I don't know about you guys. I got kicked. I had my stop set at 204 at the 50-day moving average, just right below it. And it was touched today, so I got kicked out. I'm gonna keep on watching the stock just because the volume it's pretty low on these days that we got kicked. So potentially I'm getting faked out of the stock, right? The institutions are setting me up, but the price did hit my stop, so I have to take a loss here. And I think I would be paying more attention to the stock if we can get above 207, and then once again get to 245 area. But until then, this stock is gonna be in the watch list. I am not looking to buy this thing anytime soon. And if you take a look at the SPY and the QQQ, it's actually not that big of a deal. Like so far, everybody said this year is gonna be it's looking bad. We're in an uptrend. We're in a big up market, and it's only been day two, and the market was due for a pullback anyways. So whatever that's coming down is actually a good thing. We're overextended, and what the market is doing is actually really healthy. And some stocks that cannot hold during this period, such as Duolingo, just means that it's a weak stock. That's simply it. And of course, I have some new ideas here for you guys to watch. And I'll just share one just because I'm not, a lot of them are not too set up yet. One I have on my list is LRN, Stride. And this company, if we can take a look at the bottom, there's been a couple green big volumes. I know it's hard for you guys to see, my avatar is there. But it's not that big of a deal. The most important thing is that the stock pretty much doubled from last year to, as of right now, it went up about 98%. If we can break the high of 63, we'll be up 100% from the 52-week low to the 52-week high. On top of that, if you take a look at the weekly chart, we pretty much have been consolidating in a really, really tight zone right here. And that's where I want to see. I want to see basically not a lot of sellers selling the stock and driving the price lower. On top of that, the 10-week moving average is catching up. Take a look at the daily chart. That's the 50-day moving average. And yeah, I'm looking to buy this thing hopefully next week. I don't think this week is going to be it because it's a holiday week. It's a New Year week. So volume up generally low. When I see this thing break out, I prefer to see a bigger volume than usual. So it shows that not just retailers are buying, also institutions. And if you take a look at the daily chart, it looks like a pretty choppy stock, a lot of gaps. So that is one thing to be aware of, I think. And yeah, what happened? That's pretty much it. Hopefully the personality for the stock change. It makes sense for a lot of chop, like in this period, because we're in this area. This is a big base since 2007. And like, you know, the undisciplined trader will trade a stock here and say that it's choppy. As you know, in theory, technical analysis, once you break the supply zone, we shouldn't see any more chops, right? Hopefully this thing can go up higher. If not, then you know, it's gonna be another lost cause like Duolingo. But this is one stock I have on my list, and we did about 10 days ago on December 21st. This thing did undercut this low right here by just a little bit, which is what I want to see. And yeah, let's see, I have a buy above this stock at $63. And that's it for this week, and hopefully you guys have a good trading year in 2024. And yeah, I'm a little bit sick, that's why my voice might sound weird. Anyway, let's keep this video short, and I'll see you guys next time. If you like the channel, subscribe, check out my YouTube, and check my description. Peace.